Assalamu alaikum students, I hope everybody is doing well. In previous video we have done the narration of exclamatory sentences and today we are going to do optative sentences. Optative means in these sentences we pray or we wish for other person. So we have if there is a pray or wish, or you may say that the desire in a sentence is called optative sentences. In this, the reporting speech, as if we have learned this thing that in direct sentence, or you may say that in the direct narration, we have two parts of the sentence. First part is called as in reporting speech, and second part, that is in inverted commas, is called as in reported speech. So in this we are going to change reporting verb into, if in case of prayer, if we have a prayer, then that is going to be changed, said is going to be changed into prayed, or said to is going to be changed into prayed for. But remember, dear students, these concepts or these rules are going to be applied if the reporting speech is in past tense. But if your reporting speech is in present or in future tense, all these verbs would remain in the present form. For example, if we have says, then we are going to change into prayers, not into prayed. Then we have in case of wish. In case of wish, the said is going to be changed into wished, and said to is going to be changed into wished for. And then we have change for inverted commas. As if we have learned this before, that in indirect form we are going to omit inverted commas and we are going to put some conjunction to make the continuity. To remove inverted commas, use that. So in this, after omitting inverted commas, we are going to use the word that. Then we have some examples. In this example, number 1, we have, he said to Prince, may you live long. In this, the other person is praying for the prince. Then the indirect form would be, he prayed for the prince, that we have used after omitting inverted commas. As if the reporting speech is in past tense, then this may is going to be changed into might, and we are going to change it into sentence form, which means we need to have a subject, verb, and then object. So you is a second person. We have learned this thing in the rules that second person is going to be changed according to the object of reporting speech. So object is the prince, so we have used the pronoun he in the place of you. He prayed for the prince that he might live long, because we know this thing that with might we always use bare form. Second example we have, he said to her, may your brother get through the examination. In this sentence, the wish is being held, so the answer would be, he wished for her. After omitting inverted commas, we have used that, her brother, because your is the second person and second person is going to be changed according to the object of reporting speech. So that would become her brother. Might, because this may is going to be changed into past form, that would become might. And after might, or you may say that after modals, we always use first form, that would remain get. Her brother might get through the examination, that would remain same. Further examples we have, he said, would that I was here. In this we are going to use he wished. After omitting inverted commas, we have used that, and I is going to be changed, as if I is a first person, that is going to be changed according to the subject of reporting speech, that would become he. He wished that he, and as if would that I was here is an example of past tense, simple past tense, and we have learned this thing in the rules that if we have simple past or past indefinite, that is going to be changed into past perfect tense, as if would that I was here. I was here is a passive form, so we are going to convert it into past perfect passive form, and we use been in the passive form. So answer would be he wished that he had been there. We have learned in the rules as well that here would be changed into there. So the answer is he wished that he had been there. Then we have he said, may God help you. He is actually praying for the another person. He prayed that, after omitting inverted commas, we have used that. God as if it's a subject. God, may is going to be converted into might. Remember this thing, students. If you have reporting speeches in past tense, then we are going to change may into might. If the reporting speech would be in present or future, then this may would remain may. He prayed that God might help. This you is going to be changed according to the object. But the question is, in this sentence, we do not have any object. So, dear students, if the object is not given to you, assume it by yourself. So, I have assumed it. He said to me, may God help you. He prayed that God might help me. You I have changed according to the object which I have assumed, that is me. He prayed that God might help me. That's why I have converted you into me. I hope, students, that this kind of sentences is clear to you.